It is 5 a.m. and I'm headed to Longview, Washington to do a 2-day workshop with I am super stoked. I immensely respect the man's work, and some of his students are amazing. So yeah, looking forward to it. I'm in the van, packed up, ready to go. Checked the oil, filled it up with gas. Day one ended up being some elementary forging techniques. We were all expecting kind of a master's class on finishing, and that didn't quite happen. Second day of the workshop became a how to make a rounding hammers workshop, and there weren't enough tools to go around, and it was all done by hand. So I spent 6 hours swinging a sledge, and that wasn't the funnest thing in the world. So I'm done with the workshop that I was so excited about, and I just need to say that I didn't have a great experience. I learned a lot from a smith who will remain nameless. I'm not here to berate anybody. Their work is world renowned. Their work speaks for itself. It's fantastic. But sometimes in this life, and it's not just with blacksmithing or carpentry or anything else, sometimes the best artists and the best craftsmen are not the best teachers, and I think this is the case. I learned a lot, but it wasn't a good time, and it just wasn't. So it wasn't just my experience. It's kind of the gist of everybody that was in the class. My hope is that everyone got at least what I got out of the class, some new techniques, some new way of doing things, and then frankly some way not to do things. I know that this will make me a better instructor and a better teacher and a better purveyor of some of the art. So yeah, it's just like at work, sometimes you have amazing bosses and sometimes you got not amazing bosses, and you may learn actually more from the not amazing boss as the good ones. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take it at face value. I've taken workshops and classes from some other world-renowned smiths that it wasn't this for years. So this is my first weird experience, taking workshops from somebody famous. So I'll chalk it up to the odd man out. Anyway, thanks.